Welcome back. You're watching Profit at Night. On to our special report on a subject which matters to you and I almost on a daily basis, and that has to be retail.
Indeed, and retailers might actually be facing the slowdown, but they are steadily increasing their plan to raise funds, and that's precisely what a company called Loot and Vishal Retail are up to.
It's all in the name, and Indian consumers respond to it. A 365-day discount store is all they need to beat inflation. No wonder the Loot management is planning aggressive expansion to cater to growing demand. 300 stores is the target in next 3 years and is all set to hit the capital markets by March 2009 to mop up over 300 crore rupees. Private placement of about 50 crore rupees will come first.
We have been approached by more than 39 equity people or from the market.
But growing on its own will take time. Acquisitions is the need of the hour. Buzz's Arvind Mills multi-brand store Grab is up on the block and Loot is evaluating the option.
Any format closing down and they have more than 5 stores chain across India, we are open to take over directly with them.
Another braveheart, V-Mart, a multi-brand store, is also planning to raise almost 200 crore rupees through an IPO.
There is a possibility of an IPO, but not immediately.
Clearly, it's yet not time to discount the great Indian retail story. There are many betting on the Indian wallet. With Neha Jain in New Delhi, in Mumbai, Tuhina Pandey for NDTV.
Well, that's it on the channel for now. On Profit at Night, we'll be back with much more just after this short break. Goodbye from us.
Stay with us. You're watching NDTV Profit.